In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a spreadsheet in Google Drive, whether you're organizing personal finances, tracking a project, or collecting data for work or school. Creating a spreadsheet in Google Drive is a quick and simple way to keep everything in one place and accessible from anywhere. First, you'll want to open Google Drive. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website in your browser and signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the account where you want your spreadsheet to live, especially if you switch between work and personal accounts. Once you're in, you'll see your main Drive page with folders and files you've already created or that have been shared with you. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the New button. This is the starting point for creating almost anything in Google Drive. Click the New button once and a menu will appear. This menu shows several options like creating a new folder, uploading files from your computer, or creating different types of Google documents. From that menu, select Google Sheets. You may see it listed directly, or you might need to hover over the Google Sheets option to choose between a blank spreadsheet and one from a template. For now, choose the standard Google Sheets option to create a new blank spreadsheet. As soon as you click it, Google Drive will open a new tab in your browser with a fresh, empty spreadsheet ready for you to use. A new spreadsheet will open with a default name at the top, usually something like Untitled Spreadsheet. Before you start entering a lot of information, it's a good idea to rename it so you can easily find it later. Click on the title at the top left, delete the existing text, and type in a clear descriptive name that matches what you're using it for, such as monthly budget or project task list. Press enter to save the new name. Now you can begin entering data. Click on any cell in the grid and start typing. Use the tab key or arrow keys to move between cells and press enter when you're done with a cell's entry. You can type numbers, text, dates, or even simple formulas to calculate things like sums and averages. If you need column headers, type them in the first row to label what each column will represent, such as date, description, or amount. As you work, you don't need to worry about saving your changes manually. One of the biggest advantages of using Google Sheets through Google Drive is that it auto-saves your work. Every few seconds, your changes are stored automatically in the cloud. You might notice a brief status message near the top that says saving, and then all changes saved in Drive. This means you can close the tab or your browser at any time, and when you come back to Google Drive and open the same spreadsheet, all your data will still be there exactly as you left it. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Drive, clicked New, selected Google Sheets, let the new spreadsheet open, and started entering data that saves automatically. Once you're comfortable with these basics, you can explore formatting, formulas, and sharing options, but this simple workflow is all you need to start creating and using spreadsheets in Google Drive.